Hey there, it's Melissa from Sincerely Saturday, here to show you how to make embellished washi twist ties. For this you're going to need scissors, 26 gauge wire, stickers that are identical in size and shape, and washi tape. Don't worry if you don't have stickers, you can always use paper punches, buttons, anything small that'll fit on the ends of the twist ties. Alright, let's get started. Start by cutting your wire. Mine are about 4 inches in length, but if I was doing this for a large event, I would measure them to 3.5 inches as I think they look a little bit better when they're short. Now that we have our wire cut, it's time to start making our twist ties. Keeping the tape on the spool, pull double the length of tape as you have wire. This is because we are going to fold the tape over on itself to create our twist ties. Center your wire down the middle of the tape as best as you can. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Then fold it over on itself, letting gravity help you. Pinch the ends together and work your way down, pressing the edges together as you go. Once you reach the end of the wire, snip the tape, and that's it. Continue making your twist ties until you have enough on hand for your favors or gifts. I used different widths of washi tape just to see what it would look like when I was finished. They all turned out amazing. Although some washi tape feels a little waxy and it was a little bit hard to adhere the wire. But with a little patience, I was able to make these work as well. I'd also like to note that I didn't use any white or cream washi tapes. The reason being is once the washi is folded over on itself, the pattern bleeds into one another and it looks really sloppy. You can also really see the wire through these colors. Just use something that's more saturated in color and avoid anything that is a white or clear background. Now that my washi twist ties are all done, I'm going to start embellishing. For mine, I'm using stickers that are identical in size and shape. But you don't have to use stickers for yours. You can use paper punches, buttons, sequins, little tiny jingle bells, pom-poms, or whatever you can find that's small enough to fit on the ends of the twist ties. When adding your stickers or paper punch embellishments, simply place one piece at the end of the twist tie, flip it over, and stick the second piece on top, matching it up identically. If you're using something other than identical stickers or punches, like a pom-pom, buttons, jingle bells, or sequins, you may choose to only add one piece to each side, as it may look clunky if it's got on both sides. Now for my dirty little secret. You don't have to make the washi twist ties. Pre-made twist ties are super cute and usually come with your favor packs anyway. So you can choose either to make fun, embellished washi twist ties or just stick with what you know and use the pre-made ones. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to get other free tutorials, crafts, and DIYs. And check out my blog at sincerelysaturday.com.